All right, personal box break for Min. Min, this is box 214 on the 1920 Contenders Optic basketball. Thank you, sir. Good luck. Had a couple nice ones in your earlier breaks. Let's keep it rolling. I do have more of these. If anyone else is interested, Min does have first opportunity because I ordered them for him. But as of right now, I have 16 left. All right, Min. First up, CJ McCollum. CJ McCollum. Next up, silver, Fred VanVleet. Fred VanVleet on the silver. Then we have Devin Booker. Devin Booker on the red. First rookie auto in your 4 boxes, and it's Goga. On card, rookie ticket auto, Goga. And that one's numbered to 149. Number to 149 on the Goga on card rookie ticket auto. Uniformity is Donovan Mitchell. And still no gold, unfortunately. We got Tim Duncan on the winning ticket cracked ice. Tim Duncan. You got a lot of gold in those last boxes we did of this stuff. Now we're 4 into the case and no gold. So I guess it's not as common as it seemed when we were doing the other boxes. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. I'll get that video up to the 2.